Hi everybody, it's Crystal. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe, you know, as I always do. So today I'm just going to talk to you real quick about, do you remember last week, I think it was last week, during Mother's Day, I made that video for y'all about that Herrschners and Mary Maxim had a Mother's Day sale, and they had their millins for really cheap. Like, I think Mary Maxim's was like $4.99 and Herrschners were like $6, and then they had an additional 20% off coupon code. Well, I told you guys about them, and everybody was all excited, and I wasn't going to get any because I still have millins here from last Black Friday from Yarn Inspirations, but I bought some from Herrschners like a couple weeks prior to that when they weren't on sale, and I gave them all away, and they were pretty nice. So I thought I would go ahead and buy 6 bags of them just to see what I got, because I like getting those millin bags. I like to try to guess the yarn, and I like to see, it's just interesting to see what's in them. I've seen a lot of cool pictures on my yarn Bagoday Crochet yarn page I have. People have been posting what they got, and it's really cool to see what's in these mystery bags from Herrschners. Herrschners have some pretty good mystery bags, actually. Or they're millin bags is what they are, but they're pretty good. But I'll show you what I got. I got 6 of them. So I got this one, and this one seems to be pretty common from all the pictures that I've seen on Instagram and on my Facebook page. Remember, if you got any of these, you could show me a picture on Instagram. I'd really like to see what is in yours. I'm interested in to see what kind of yarns they put in them. This one seems pretty common. Like, a lot of people got this. This is actually, I'm almost certain that it's the Premier, it looks like the Premier coffee shop yarn. I don't know if that's what it is. That's only my guess. I like to try to guess. So I think that might be what that is. Again, it's just a guess. Or something similar to that coffee shop yarn. And then I got this one, which is, I know what this is too. This is a Michael's Loops and Threads brand. I can't remember the name, but they had it last year, and they discontinued it. They don't have it anymore. I did have some when it came out, but I gave it away in a giveaway. Isn't that pretty? It's a bulky, gosh, I wish I could remember the name of it. It's red, and it's kind of metallic-y looking, it's in black. So, certain that's Michael's Loops Threads. And then I got this, and I have no idea what it is. I got this last time, but it's part of the ones I gave away, but it's a different color this time. This one I can't figure out what this one is, but it's super soft, and it looks like it has wool in it. Actually, I don't know for certain if it does, but it feels like it does. It's very light, like between a 2 and a 3, well, really lightweight 3. I just don't know. This one's kind of baffling me. I would have guessed that it was their pastry puffs from Herrschners, but I have actually bought a 5-pack of them, and it's not them. So I don't know what this is. Hey, drop the answer in the comments if you know. It's bugging me. There's actually another one that I have no idea what it is either, and it's driving me nuts. But this is really pretty. Gosh, what is that? What is that? Anybody get any of this? I've seen other people get these too, but in different colors and stuff, so you know, it could be yarn from any store, from anywhere, so you really don't, you don't know. It's just your best guess. This, I know what it is, okay, but I'm not certain. Okay, I'm certain, but I'm not certain. How about that? Okay, I know Premier put out this yarn last year. It was called Rio, and I did a review on it. Remember this stuff? Premier Rio. I also know that I think Loops and Threads, Michael's, and Canada had a yarn just like this, but in different colors. So I think that it wasn't here in the States, but because Canada Michael's has different yarns sometimes than we have in Michael's in the States. So I think this is not the Premier Rio. It could be, but I think it's the exact same. But I think it might have been a Loops and Threads brand that was available in Canada. You guys can tell me in the comments and let me know. But anyways, it looks exactly like the Premier Rio. This was the cotton candy color. I actually have that here. And then they have this one here. I don't know if this was a mistake, or it was another color that it was like that Loops and Threads brand, like I'm talking about, that they had at Michael's in Canada. Maybe it was that a color they had there that we didn't have in the States. I don't know, because when the Rio came out, I got all the colors they had of it, and this white was not in it. So, and then I got this, which is actually the same, but it's another color that the Premier Rio didn't have. So that's why I'm thinking it's that Loops and Threads brand that we couldn't get in the States. Anybody from Canada know? Anybody? But this was a color that it's really beautiful. I think I was really excited about this one because it was nothing that I could get here in the U.S. As far as color-wise, they didn't offer this to us. Premier didn't offer this color in the Rio. And then if it's the Loops and Threads brand that's identical to the Premier Rio, it wasn't in the States either. So it's pretty. I like that. And then I got one more. I said about 6 of them. This one I have no idea what it is. It looks so familiar, but I cannot think of it. It's Hanks. There's 5 Hanks in there. 3 of them are the same color, I think. I don't know. A couple different. Those 2 are the same, and I think these 3 are the same. I don't know. I can't tell, but I don't know what it is. I really don't know. I'm going to slice it open and see. I'll probably end up giving some of these away in the giveaway. And I like to buy yarn just to look at it, and then I give it away because I have too much yarn anyways. Oh gosh, it looks so familiar. What is this stuff? Let me know, guys. Let me know. It's driving me nuts. You know, I like to be able to think, or I like guessing a yarn, and it drives me bonkers when I don't know what the yarn is. What is this? It's shiny and dull at the same time. It looks so familiar. I have no idea. I don't know. I can't think of it. I guess I could search the internet forever and see. Did anybody get this and you know what it is? Because I don't know. I should know. It's upsetting that I don't know because I should know. But I don't. I'll think of it eventually. Okay, and then I got the Herrschners pastry puffs. This is how I know that that pink is not a pastry puff. I got a 5-pack of this black and gray here because Herrschners had them 20% off. I think it was like $12 for a 5-pack, and then I got 20% off of that. I got these because my 16-year-old son, yes, I do have a 16-year-old son, if you did not know. You may not know because he never lets me take his picture, and he never is ever on camera. I don't know. But he promised me if I made him a sweater out of this, he would, and did a tutorial, he would wear it in the thumbnail as long as I cropped his head off. But I know when the time comes, I'll make the sweater. He won't wear it. I'll have a sweater sitting around here that doesn't fit anybody. So I'll have to take a picture of it later on the table. Actually, I know he won't do it. I know he won't do it. I'd probably end up in a giveaway too. I don't know. Anyways, I thought that was pretty, and it was a pretty good deal. So that's what I got from Herrschners during their 20% off sale. I don't know. I just, like I said, I wasn't going to buy those millions because I have some here, and I really need to, you know, get rid of some yarn. But I just got 6 because I enjoy the mystery. And like I said, I'll probably end up putting them in a giveaway. But I'll probably keep these because this is a color, whether it be that Loops and Threads brand or the Premier Rio. This is a color I don't have. I might keep that. But I was really pleased with Herrschners mystery bags. Everything I got is cool. This one is driving me bonkers, the same as this one. I have no idea what this stuff is. Maybe eventually I'll think of it, but for now, I don't know. It's too thin for me to use though. But that's it. That's my haul. I just wanted to share it with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And I will see you soon, okay? Everybody stay safe, all right? Let me know in the comments if you know what any of that stuff is that I showed. I can't think of it. It drives me nuts. And let me see pictures of if you got mystery bags. Upload them to Instagram and hashtag me Bagoday Crochet so I can check them out. Thanks everybody for watching. Bye guys. Hey, stay safe, okay?